Topik. Topik. Isa, topik. Pildi ko. Karalay ko na pildi mo lagi.
Let's tell the world all the things we've done. All in love and the setting sun.
Kailan ko na juga ganina ko igual.
Ano man?
Kasi kayo, nga issue kayo mga...
Kung
All of the places we ever go. Feel familiar,
Bugal-bugal na juga siya.
Kulbaan, uy. Ganina rin ko na kulbaan. Nagpalpitate ko ganina.
will be looking me up when they all
Ano na, nalimot ko. Jerry Hell.
I do.
Wala pa.
Uy, ChatGPT mo kayo, uy.
Takaw na po. Hindi mo na takaw na po.
you wish you were here tonight.
Ay, quiz.
Hmm?
Quiz.
Quiz.
Quiz. It
Nostalgia
started with a quiz. Buwak. Ang guys.
Ganong misulod man mo nining kami yun. Kaming nakasinatin ha. Kaming nga, mao din ang minyo, no? Dagang mga challenges.
Thank you for praying.
Welcome.
Grabe, girl. Grabe.
Okay, last time here.
But remember, marriage is meant to last a lifetime. It is a commitment of a man and a woman to love each other and live together for better or for worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health until death.
My love, today I choose you not only as my wife,
Uy.
but as my best friend, my safe place, and my greatest adventure. Sitlagan Tandoa. I promise to stand beside you in every season of life, to celebrate your joys, support your dreams, and hold your hand through every challenge. I will love you with honesty, patience, and laughter. Today and for all the days to come. Forever starts with you. Love, Jen.
You can also remember, ni Sulti nakapakaslan ko ninyo.
Mm,
That was year 2019.
mm,
And look at where we are now.
mm,
With a daughter and another one along the way.
right?
I know we fight a lot of times, but we always try to make up and we always try to make way, even if times are tough. My love, today and for all the days to come, I vow to be your safe space, your partner and your greatest supporter. I will stand beside you in every hardships and challenges and triumphs in our lives, choosing you again and again and again. That's why pipiliin kita araw-araw.
Found you. Two worlds collided. I see forever.
Jerry Hell, in taking Clarice as your wife, do you promise to honor, to love, and to cherish her in sickness as in health, in poverty as in wealth, in hardship as in blessing, until death alone shall part you?
Now I promise you.
I do.
Hi, Ate Cla at Kuya Je. Congratulations kay finally kaslo na jud mo. Sa una kay numdum ko katong maguban-uban pa ba ni Kuya Je. Katong dating pa mo and karon kay who would have thought nga kanang kamo jud ang end game.
And I wish and I pray na successful ang inyong wedding And
More power and God bless you all. Both new couples.
Nahitabo na jud ang kadugay ng gihulat. May your journey as husband and wife be filled with beautiful and lasting memories.
And I am so blessed to see na iyan na mo ka-happy, and I hope that the Lord will always bless your family and give you more blessings.
I hope to see more Claire or more Jel in the future. So I hope na everything goes well for the both of you. And I'm so excited to see what's ahead for the two of you now that you're finally in union with God.
And God bless your marriage.
Clarice, in taking Jerry Hill as your husband, do you promise to love and to cherish him in sickness as in health, in poverty as in wealth, in hardship as in blessing, until death alone shall part you?
I do.
By the authority vested upon me as an executive minister of the gospel, I declare that Jerry Hill and Clarice are now husband and wife according to the will of God and of the laws of the Philippines. Honored parents, sponsors, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you a new couple, Mr. and Mrs. Clarice and Jerry Hill Gumapon.
We'll be together. I see forever in your
Karon ang ako i-advise niyo duha, Jerry Hill o Clarice, ang inyong isintro ang Ginoo gyud kay mag-unsa man ang tanan ang mabutang ining kalibutan kung wala ang Ginoo. Kawang lamang gyud dayon. Mao na ako ay kaistorya.
Muragi ikaw bili ninyo. Ang usa ka magtiayon dili way perfect. Namanggali kalayo or nasuko nang lang sa tubig. Kaya kami nyoon dili lang kami nyoon dula-dula. Wala dula-dula sa kami nyoon kay dili nang kami nyoon isulod ta dili na murag kanon nga init atong ihungit ug init atong iluwa. Diyan pinaka-best na paano nyo, ang kalinaw, naagin ka na to. Kaya na ang kalinaw, walay kagubot na mahitabo, walay lalis. Diyan pinaka-nambiruan na ito, kung saan ito na pagkuha ang kalinaw, true God, tigit na siya. Ginoo, rin na itong